Okay, and in the second installment of our adventures out in the kayak in the wild ocean, here we are on the dawn patrol, where stealth and ingenuity is at the utmost. As you can see, I'm surrounded by currents, where sharks, dolphins, porpoises, giant turtles thrive in. I have no fear here because this is nature, and I am at one with nature. As you can see, the sun will be rising soon in the distance. I have to catch my prey before the sun rises. I stealthily check the coastline for predators. I think I need to just paddle a little bit more into faster currents. Bear with me. Stealth is of the essence. I have a trailer hooked on the back here, hunting for the hammerhead shark. They say they don't have them in Grevdelek, but I know that one day I will bring him on board. It's so peaceful out here. In fact, I might keep paddling and go to Guernsey for a pint. We're in deep water now. Very deep water. Okay people. Let me just give you a little view of what you're missing out there. It's 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning. You can tell I didn't go out last night, can't you? Look how bright my eyes are. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I'm going to drop my rod in the water. And I don't mean that in a rude way. This is a 12 certificate film, this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. There's the rod in question. As you can see, shark hooks on there. Excellent. Bear with me. Oh, look at this baby. Oh, here we go. We're nearly in the water. Here we go. Drop anchor. I'm now going to reel the other one in. I've dropped that one down. As you can see, I'm using 2 rods. Stealthily. Okay, nothing on that one. This is the big boy. This is the big boy. Get in there, my son. As you can see, I wear no harness. This is to give me flexibility when the big one comes. Okay. Nothing there this time. Patience and vigilance is the only way. It's only a matter of time before the sun rises above the cliffs there, and all hope is gone then, I'm afraid. Family starves again. Yeah, reminds me when I used to walk to school barefooted through snow in Scotland. Okay. Can you hear that silence? Can you hear the silence of the ocean?